What's up, guys? Today I'm finna do a ACV rinse on my hair. I'm almost at a year, not exactly at a year, but May 9th will be my lock anniversary, so I just want to go ahead and do an ACV rinse. I was gonna do it on the lock anniversary, but you know. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Yeah. So here you see me seasoning the water or whatnot. And if my parents ever watch my videos, sorry I use your products. You didn't see this. You didn't see me using the vinegar and the baking soda. You never saw this video. I just want to let you know that. But yo, this is low-key like a little science experiment. I don't know why I was so surprised that everything was fizzing. Like, it's common sense. Like, I don't know. Here I am just mixing everything, just getting everything stirred up and stuff like that. And see, here is where everything kind of like went downhill. You see me laying down and stuff like that. And why do I have my shoulders so close to the dang sink? Like, I don't understand. Literally, this whole clip is me breaking my neck. I don't know why I'm so close. Like, this really pissing me off. Like, why am I so close? I really felt like my neck was finna snap. I had to readjust. I had to turn the camera off and readjust because I didn't have nobody to help me record. Alright, so now I'm situated and stuff like that. Keep in mind, look at the water. Look at the water. That's the vinegar. Keep in mind what the water freaking looks like, okay? Because the water looked completely different after. I'm not saying I didn't think that ACV rinse was going to even work, but like, I never said that it wasn't going to work. But like, it got so dirty. My locks look like little spiders in the sink.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your...
So at this point I had been laying for I think maybe 30 minutes. I think I laid there for like an hour or something like that. I don't know, because me being upside down, I felt kind of sick. So I'm detoxing my hair, but the whole time I feel like I'm gonna throw up. So yeah. I had a whole face shift too. Like, my face was just shifting and stuff like that. It looked so weird. But here's me getting up, and y'all see that dirty, murky swamp water. As y'all can see, the color is stripped because this is what my hair looked like, not that, you know. I told y'all in the beginning to keep mind of this picture right here before I show y'all the next clip. Just look at it. Just look at it.
Ugh. Brother, what's that?
Y'all, I just got done doing a little ACV rinse and whatnot, the little detox. I'm not gonna lie, most of what y'all saw, like, yeah, like dirt and debris and build up in my locks, but like most of it was like my color and stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Like, once I like rinsed it out, like rinsed the sink out and stuff like that, like most of it like was the color I had in my hair, because like now it's like back like blonde and stuff. So yeah, so now I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna get this hair clean, and then I'm gonna do a steam treatment. So before I get underneath like a dryer to kind of like, hold on. Before I get underneath a dryer to kind of like have like some steam in my hair, it's like when I put products in my hair, it's penetrating my scalp and my locks and stuff like that. I'm gonna be adding 3 products to my hair. I'm gonna be adding this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Scalp Refresh. It's for my scalp. And then I'm gonna go in with some actually I'm gonna go in with this last. This is the rosemary mint oil. But secondly, I'm going to go in with some leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna spray that first. Bro, bear with me. I was gonna sit underneath the steamer, like my mom has the actual steamer, but it's not working. I don't know what it's doing, but it's being weird right now, and I don't want to break it. So we're just gonna sit underneath the dryer. Yo, I thought that's how I still shampoo in my hair. Bad. I still had shampoo in my hair. I don't even know how that happened for real. I forgot to let y'all know that like I'm kind of semi-free forming, so like it's gonna be a minute before I retwist because like I think my hair just likes being the way it is. So I ain't been retwisting my hair or anything. I thought about doing a retwist, but like, yeah. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know this video was kind of all over the place, but I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos if you want to. I'm not forcing you, but you know. And my lock anniversary is May 9th, so, you know, yeah. All right, bye.